You may soon be paying less in federal income tax, but at what cost? Tonight, Vermont residents learned how the One Big Beautiful Bill may cause some to lose their jobs, shutter healthcare facilities, and might deal you a whole lot of paperwork. Our Laura Ullman explains.
This graphic is from the U.S. House Ways and Means Committee. In 2027, legislators say most families will be seeing double-digit % decreases in how much they pay for federal income taxes. The bill has the potential to save folks hundreds of dollars. While many are celebrating future tax relief, some Vermonters and advocates say the bill could be catastrophic to the state.
Better for public health to lean into the clean energy sector, but we are fundamentally stepping away from it.
Joanna Miller works for Vermont Natural Resources Council. She's worried about the bill's diversion of investment on climate change resiliency. Vermont has the highest proportion of renewable energy jobs in the country. Almost 20,000 Vermonters work in the field and are at risk of losing their jobs. And if you receive tax credits for your electric vehicle or for renewable energy, those are getting phased out too.
It's a really challenging moment, and it's a massive lost opportunity.
Medicaid and Three Squares Vermont provide free health care and food to tens of thousands of Vermonters. The programs are also federally funded. There are different estimates of how many Vermonters will lose access to these services, but Honor Horton with Hunger Free Vermont says the majority of people will just have to fill out a lot more paperwork to prove they meet the new requirements.
New layers of paperwork burden that people are going to experience as being insurmountable, so that we give up on claiming.
And Medicaid cuts are bad news for New England's Planned Parenthood. 1/4 of their patients use Medicaid. The nonprofit health providers closed half of their Vermont clinics in the past 3 years and say this bill may cause more to shutter their doors. To totally maintain these services, the state would have to step in, and that means higher property taxes.
Your representatives have an enormous task ahead of them this year. They are going to need to raise revenue.
Advocates say the impacts of this bill are beginning to trickle down, but we're not likely to see the full impact until after the 2026 midterm election. In the studio, Laura Ullman, Channel 3 News.